Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Huawei Watch GT3 to an Android phone. First, ensure your Android device runs Android 6.0 or newer. Next, download the Huawei Health app from Huawei's official website, not the Google Play Store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on both your Android phone and your Huawei Watch GT3. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process. Now open the Huawei Health application on your Android phone. Tap on the Devices tab, then select Add Device. Choose Smartwatches and locate your Huawei Watch GT3 from the list. A pairing request will appear on both your phone and the watch. Confirm it on both to establish the connection. This step links your devices. After pairing, it is vital to grant all required permissions to the Huawei Health app. This ensures features like notifications and health tracking work correctly. Also, allow the app to run in the background to maintain a consistent connection. Finally, always check for and install any available software updates for your Huawei Watch GT3 to ensure optimal performance and new features. If you encounter connection issues, try restarting both your Android phone and your Huawei Watch GT3. Also, ensure your phone's battery optimization settings are not restricting the Huawei Health app, as this can disrupt the connection. For the best experience, keep your watch and phone within 10 meters of each other to maintain a strong Bluetooth signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.